Hey guys, in this video we will learn about Go language structure, or we can say struct. Go language has structured data type, that is, you can say complex data type or user defined data type. There we can put a related property, or that we can use for encapsulation, inheritance purpose also. It's very similar to we have in class into different programming language. Okay, so first question is why we need a structure, because we have already primitive data type. Why we need actually structure over here? The answer of the question is actually, let's understand through the practically. Suppose we have three variables and we are holding in different data type. Okay, so 2 is the string and 1 in integer. Now I want to print the value of this variable. So to print the value, I'm just making a one functions over here, and over here I'm adding the fmt. So these three value, to display it, I will pass into these three functions. I will say first name, last name and age. So now we got all three values. So now let me just put this line into down. So this is the separator. So because we will generate so many, I need to run go run and main.com. Once I run, we can see this value came it. Hello, my name is this, first name or last name, and this is 20-year-old actually. Okay, this is the name I given to it. So over here we can see what problem we have. We have three variables, and three variable we are passing into parameter. It got possible we can need to pass it more variable also, like take an example, salary, address, and address could be also city, state, and some other thing also, and more also. So rather than passing to number of variables over here, number of parameter into the functions, or making the so many variables, we can make a single data type also that will hold the all the values get together. So that data type will be can make a single user data type. To resolve this problem, we require a structure. So let's create a first structure. I'm just creating structure with the user, and this is structure. We need to declare the type user, and this is type means the custom data type. Name of the structure is this one, and struct is the also keyword. We can see all this blue color is belongs to the reserve keyword. So here we can write down our properties. So I'm just declaring the first name over here, this is last name, and this is the age over here. So this is our structure. So now this functions, okay, let me make it a new functions. So I'll commit all this code guys into my GitHub account. You guys can see from the reference from there, or you can download it also. So here I'm writing down struct property. Okay, so now over here it will receive structure. Okay, so let's see what is structure. We will receive our structure. We need to change it also over there. Over here, so if we made a structure, suppose I'm making the structure name of the Ajay, and over here the user. So this is structure. In the structure, these properties are optional. We can means give all the properties, or either it's our choice. We don't want or want it. I'm making a new variable. Suppose I'm making a new variable user. Here I need to write down all the properties. So I'm just giving it. These are the properties. Okay. And another way how to declare this one. So suppose I'm declaring, and here I'm writing down, and over here I'm making two properties only, and this is, you can say, ABC1, and this is ABC. All these things we will start printing it also. So we will see over here when we hit and dot, and we will see all three property over there. All the structure have these three properties. So we need to just print it. Okay, so to print it, we know actually through the dot we can access it. So I need to just simply write down dot over here. Okay, and now I need to just display this one. So I just use display property, and first I will use this one. So this is zero property, means all the properties has the, by default, the string has the default properties value is the blank, and similarly integer have the 0. Okay, so we'll assign it. This is, we are passing the structure. Here we are passing ABC, and here we are passing ABC1. So three way declare the structure. Let's run it. So once we run, we see we got it. The first one is blank, because these are the blank, first name, last name, but value is 0. A means integer value is coming as a 0 because we didn't have any property. Next one we given ABC, and this one. Next one we does not have A, so A's default value is 0 is coming. And next one is nothing, that we are passing individual variables over here, so that we that is not actually structure type. Okay, another way, suppose I'm passing a over here. Let's copy this one and paste it over here. Actually this is second, and here I don't want to pass this one, so I can do like a way also. This is also fine. So meaning of this one, ABC will assign to this one, XYZ will assign to last name, and as we have it. So this sequence will matter. Okay, the key and value is not like we have key and value is the same. That is not point is over there. This one sequence will matter. If I'll change to the last name to the first name, so it will come like ever. Okay, the sequence will matter. So if I'll change it, swap the property, XYZ will become the first name and ABC will become the last name. Okay, so let me make to ABC2. So once I run, you can see this is the output will become. We can assign the variable also. So we already have some variable. I can use it like first name, okay, like last name, and we can use the age also. And this is the third variable. So I'll just use it over here, A3. These are the variables I declare on the starting. Okay, so either of the way, over here what we are trying to do, we are just have the blank property, we have all the values, we are not using the one of the values. Over here we are just actually swapping the values, and we don't want to give the keys, we just wanted to give the values over here also. Okay, so this way we can declare a structure.